we started this initiative last year, and after we had conducted, we did feel that we can do better. There were a lot of learning points from this, and at the same time the feeling was very intense that we must expand this forum. And I'm very happy to take a note that this time we have done a much better, much systematic job. We have been able to focus on the unsung heroes. That was one of the core values we decided, that we have to get to the unsung heroes who are doing a good work, but they are practically not getting a recognition.
It is a wonderful event organized by the new management, and it is been rewarded to the persons who are basically in Jal Seva. Jal Seva is very important for the world, for the development of the society, for the development of the poor, for the development of the life also.
I am there with Electrosteel for last 21 years. In 2003, I joined Electrosteel. There has to be awareness among all the people. I think each and every person out of 140 billion people in this country should become water warriors. Then only we'll succeed in saving water.
The Jal Sevak Samman, this is version 2 that we are seeing, is much bigger, much better than the first version. The panel discussion per se is a very good idea. I was privileged to be part of the panel. Got some very good insights into water conservation, about irrigation, about what the government is doing and what they should do, pollution control, smart water. I think this is the real ethos of this program, and it highlights what we as a company, what we as a community, what we as a state and what we as a nation can do together for the elixir of life. My message to all the winners for this year's Jal Sevak Samman is thank you very much for the great effort that you're doing. You're not helping only a few people. You're basically a light that goes a very, very vast distance in motivating people to help think in the right direction in terms of conserving water, in terms of taking care of the environment. I really am appreciative of the work that you do. Thank you very much once again. And we are only doing a very small effort in trying to recognize you, but any effort from our side is very small compared to the work that you're doing. Thank you very much.
Today, if we can conserve water, it will be for the future generation. So it is a request to all people to conserve water.
I am associated with the Electrosteel group since last 7 years. Last year we started this project with a very small scale, and this is the improved version. And next year also we will try to improve another some parts.
Fabulously organized, and lot of eminent people have joined here. So, and this is a function which is organized for a very noble cause.
I'm very excited to be present here for the second time in the second edition of Jal Sevak Samman. It's a very good initiative by our company. It's much bigger than what we did last year, and we hope to continue it in a much bigger forum, and maybe we take it to nationwide in coming years.
Water is life. So our contribution to this particular activity is very, very key thing, and this we are doing not only for our own countries. It is basically a contribution to the earth, because we are exporting our pipe to 120 plus countries across the globe. So it is not a journey of Electrosteel only, it is a journey of each and every individual who are responsible.
Initiative in the right direction, rewarding and recognizing the water warriors, trying to bring more in the front or in the forefront, so that such initiatives which have been taken by these water warriors can spread faster, and water, which is the essence of life, can be more conserved and handled in a better manner.
It's been an association of 30 years. Oh, it's wonderful being here. This is the second edition. It's growing from strength to strength. Some of them have said it's been water is life, and you know, whatever little each one of us does will go a long way.